At the dawn of the new millennium, the planets aligned and heroes were born.
Hello, babies! Rise and shine! Oh, my! The babies are so sneezy. What could be the reason for this? Holy smoke! This city air is so thick and crusty. But the mountains are so clean. My babies must need some fresh air. Pack your bags, poopies. They're going camping. Soon your sneezes will be all gone. But not soon enough.
Wait! I left Stitchy inside! Okay, we can go now.
I hope we didn't forget anything. Okay, babies, this is the place. The air is clean, no?
Smells like Christmas!
Good. That is where we put the tent. And over there, we build the fire.
And over there goes the couch. And next to that goes the TV. And next to that goes the refrigerator.
It's perfect. We get started now. Holy ponyloaf! Our stuff has gone kaput. Sorry, babies. We have to go back.
Aww.
Oh, piping pistons. The car won't start.
Uh-oh. Now he gets to rough it. Yay! All right!
Meg, Derek, you two go find firewood while Buck and I set up the tent. Oh, this is going to be tricky.
Look! Firewood! I'll get it! Ah! Whee! Firewood rules!
There, that ought to do it. Steady as a rock.
Where'd it go?
The tiny go first.
That's our tent, Goofies! Give it back!
You get him, Bucky.
Mercy! I found it!
What? The tent?
No, the bra. Make way for Booger Ranger! Yay! What do you think you're doing? Finding firewood. See? Ugh, that's not wood, Diaper Brain. Those are reindeer ears. Now there's some firewood.
Where are we gonna get a tent now?
Home sweet home.
Good! You have the wood! Maybe you boys would like to catch some lunch while I work on the car, no?
Fishing is kid stuff. I'm gonna go play with my dollies. Where's all the fishies? Hiya, Bearsy. Want to play house? These are yours, and these are mine. Hey, where did all the dollies go? I'm gonna get some more fish, Stitchy. You stay here. Stitchy! Stitchy! Ah! You took my Stitchy! Where's my Stitchy? Have you guys seen Stitchy? I said, have you seen Stitchy? Stitchy needs me. Let's go.
You screwy sucker! Why won't you work? Babies! Where are you? Nursey has fixed the car! Maybe the babies are sleeping. Oh, the little darlings make nappy now. And the Meg has her teddy. Ooh. This camping is hard work. We rest and then we leave.
When I find Stitchy, he better not be missing one stitch. Find anything yet?
No. Nothing.
Yeah, this searching's a real pain. Hiya, Baldy. Hey, I see Stitchy. And the big teddy bear is crushing him. Uh-oh.
Holy jumping beans that hop! It's late! Time to wake the babies and go! You're not a baby or the teddy. You have lost your mama, no? And I have lost my babies. Maybe they're together.
Wait! Stitchy's my teddy. I'll handle this. Meg's gone cuckoo. Follow me. Okay, punk. Give me back my teddy and no one gets hurt.
Hold on, babies! Nursey's coming! Wait, this is all a mistake. The teddy is Meg's baby. This is yours.
Stitchy, you're alive.
Well, the babies are safe. Two. And we have the teddy. Two.
Oh, Nursey's got the sneezies. Don't you worry, Nursey. Soon your sneezies will be all gone.
Oh, my babies are so helpful. Wave bye-bye to the beautiful forest.